Got my coworker banned from the office microwave. I work in an office with an open break room that has a shared microwave. It's just a regular microwave, nothing fancy, just a simple office appliance. But lately, Greg, a coworker, has taken it upon himself to treat this microwave like his personal test kitchen, and it's gotten out of hand. It started innocently enough. Greg would microwave things like boiled eggs, which, of course, exploded, and sardines, which left a lingering smell that could probably clear a room. At first, I thought maybe he just wasn't aware of office microwave etiquette, so I tried to ignore it. But then things escalated. Last week, I walked into the break room to find Greg microwaving a raw steak directly on the glass plate. No dish, no cover, just steak on the microwave's rotating glass turntable. When I asked what he was doing, he casually said it was his signature dish. The smell of burned meat lingered for days, and I'm pretty sure it's now permanently infused in the microwave. The real tipping point came with a soup incident. Greg brought in a metal thermos filled with homemade soup. Instead of pouring it into a bowl to microwave, he decided to microwave the entire thermos. Not only is metal a no-go for microwaving, but this time there were sparks, smoke, and a mini explosion. The microwave completely shut down. We had to evacuate the building because the fire alarm went off. At this point, management got involved. The microwave was officially out of order, and Greg was banned from using it. He was furious, claiming that I snitched on him. I just explained to our boss what happened and why the microwave was wrecked, which led to him being banned. Now, some coworkers think I should have just let it go, saying I could have kept quiet.